Alright, so I wanted to do a quick video here before I start unboxing some items. My mini split system showed up today. Pretty awesome. Let's see, 11 days after I ordered it, it showed up, so that's pretty quick. These here, this is, I've said it in another video, but I'll say it in this one. These are actually ceiling unit mini split cassettes. So they require a 2 foot by 2 foot opening. So you can see here is one of them that I framed out ahead of time. And I'm just going to, I'll double check that. So that's for the dining room. Here is a spare room that obviously I haven't gotten into doing the wiring and everything in here. So it'll go probably in the middle of the room, depending on the spacing of the trusses. And in the bedroom here, it's gonna have to go right here. And these old trusses are not exactly spaced out properly, so I can't really put it in the middle, and I can't put it over on this side because this isn't a full width because of this partition here. So it's gonna go right here, roughly in the middle of the room this way. It just won't be quite centered on this way, but since these are multi-directional vents, that shouldn't be an issue. I would say the most likely thing is we may get, at some point in time, we may have like a little bit of dust start to build up on the wall or something like that, because the unit's pretty close to the wall. So this is a 3-zone. This is a 2000, so this will go in a bedroom. This is a 2000, that will go in the bedroom, and then this is an 18,000 BTU unit. So this will actually go here in the main dining, kitchen, living room area. And then here's the main unit. This is the outdoor unit here. And this is the bracket that the outdoor unit will hang on the wall. And this should be the insulation lines. And then there's some of these boxes that I'm not exactly sure what this is, if this is just a cover or if this is like some kind of a mounting bracket. So once I open that up, I'll have a better idea. But just wanted to do a quick video. This came on a pallet and I just broke it all down and brought it inside so it wasn't out in the sun or out for people to steal. And the only thing I had to lift with a hand truck here is this unit. This is like 150 pounds. So I was just careful to bring that inside and set it down. So whenever it gets to the time where I have to mount it outside, I'll have to get some help, but that's a little bit in the future. So if you're interested in seeing that, I'll try to, as best I can, I'll try to record that whole process. I've never done it before. The person that said that they can help with some of the mini split stuff has never installed a ceiling cassette mini split before, but they've done several other ones. So if the indoor cassettes aren't that heavy, then I may end up mounting all of that myself and then running all the lines outside, and then all I would really need assistance with is mounting the outdoor unit on the bracket and vacuuming the lines and releasing all the refrigerant and everything like that. This unit actually comes pre-charged, so you don't have to add anything to it. You just have to, like I said, vacuum the line, create suction on it, and then you open up the reservoir where it currently is being held, and it fills the lines up for you. So as I unbox this, I may take a couple of videos here and there, show you what the individual components look like. And then, like I said, I don't know when it's going to be, depending on what this looks like. I'll do some measurements and figure out where I'm going to mount everything. In the bedroom, master bedroom at least, I'll have to cut a hole in the ceiling and brace it just like I did this one. But at the time that I worked on this room, I wasn't sure, and I didn't even know about this particular the ceiling units. I thought I was going to have to put a wall unit in there, so I didn't necessarily plan ahead for that. But that was like November or so, and then by the time we got around to actually working in this area here and putting up drywall and everything like that, I was pretty sure that I was going to go with a ceiling unit, and I knew what the rough opening needed to be. So I will do that and try to bring you guys along for that, and hopefully you guys get some good information out of it and is helpful in some way, even if it's just for entertainment purposes. So stay tuned.